So BRC is a British retail consortium. So they're a food safety regulation. Our AA standard basically means that we have reached that highest level of food safety. We've been BRC certified for going on 9 years now. AA for the last
2 years.
2 years. So starting from the farm, once we receive our pecans, there's a series of steps that we go through to process the pecans to make them safe for the consumers. Among those steps, we are one of the companies that does water pasteurization, which really helps to clean up the microbial content within the pecans. Also, we use our metal detection system, which helps to eliminate any foreign material found. Basically, these things just go into eliminating any of the hazards.
For the consumer, for knowing that our company is BRC certified, they're actually getting the peace of mind knowing that the product goes through a very rigorous quality testing program to know that the product that they're eating and baking with is completely safe for them to eat.